In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refine a close generation until it becomes usable in Artistly AI. First, open Artistly AI and generate your initial image using a detailed prompt. Sometimes the result won't be perfect, but it may still be close to your intended idea. Next, carefully analyze what needs improvement. This could be the lighting, background, facial details, object placement, or overall style. After that, refine your prompt step by step instead of rewriting it completely. Add specific instructions like more realistic lighting, clean background, sharper details, or centered composition to guide the AI more accurately. You can also adjust style presets and regenerate the image multiple times. Small changes often lead to much better results without losing the original concept. If needed, use editing tools to fix minor issues such as cropping, background cleanup, or color correction to make the image fully usable. Finally, once the image matches your vision, download it in high quality for your project or content. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.